Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can export video in Invideo. So if you use Invideo for video editing purposes and you have created a video that you want to export, so in order to do this, you will have to first of all log into studio.invideo.io. So basically head over to Invideo's website, then log in or sign up on this website, create your project, log into that project, and this is the video that I have created. Now if I want to export this video, I have this option at the top right corner that says upgrade to export. You will have to basically click on this option. Now when you click on this option, you have two drop down options. The first one is 720p, that is HD quality, and the second one is 1080p, that is full HD quality. You can select any one of these and then click on upgrade to export. When you click on upgrade to export, this will show up this page where it says upgrade to export your video. So basically you will have to buy out one of these plans in order to export your video from Invideo to your PC. So the video you just created, in order to export this, it's necessary that you have to export it. Click on upgrade to export and choose a plan from these options. You can click on monthly if you want monthly billing for your subscription, and if you want yearly billing through which you can save 50%, you can choose any one of these. So if you choose monthly, for the business plan you'll have to give $15 per month, and if you choose yearly, you'll have to give $30 per month for business plan. So if you choose monthly, you'll have to give $30 per month for the business plan on Invideo. And if you choose yearly, you can save 50%. That is, you'll get the business plan just for $15 and the unlimited plan for $30 per month in yearly subscription, and at monthly subscription, you'll get the unlimited plan for $60 per month. So it's always wise to buy out yearly plan if you use Invideo for your editings. So choose out any one of these plans. Click on that option like get business or get unlimited. So if I click on get business, I will have all these features available in my Invideo. Now you can choose whether you want it to be monthly or yearly. So if I choose yearly, it's $180 per year. Now in order to set up your payment, you'll have to enter your card number, the expiry date of your card number, CVV, billing address, zip code, and the card holder's name, that is your name. You can also add a GST number if you have any. After filling out all these information, you will see an option to pay that specific amount that you will see. Simply click on that amount and complete the verification process, do the payment, and when you finish out your payment, you will see that the upgrade to export button has disappeared and now you can only see the export button. And when you'll click on export, you can choose the quality and that video will automatically be exported without any problem. And that video also won't have this Invideo.io's watermark. So that's the simple way through which you can export your video in Invideo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.